Prepper Potpourri here. You know, usually I'm making a prepping video, a gardening video, or trying out a new recipe. But today we're going to be trying, well, something a little different. My grandkids are over and they want to mate their 4-H rabbits so we can have kits in a month. So, let's see how this goes. And believe me, it does not go well at all in the beginning. You might feel a little bit like a voyeur watching this, but you have to. You have to make sure that they actually breed and that they don't injure each other. Now, the first thing we have to do is put the doe, which is Poppy, in the buck's cage, and that is Mr. Snuggles. Because you never put the male, the buck, in the doe's cage, because the doe is very, very territorial. So let's see how it goes. Let's just see. Poppy's very interested. Poppy, you're the female. It's the other way. No, Poppy. This is wrong. No. Poppy, no. Poppy, no. No. No, Poppy. No, you're scaring them half to death. No.
I'm gonna get out of here now.
Wait, what is that? Showing him some domination?
I'm gonna ride you now.
Drake is scared stiff. He can't even move. Oh, excuse me, Mr. Cuddles. This is not working the way it's supposed to.
Oh, it's fine.
Okay, let's give him a little longer. Ah,
I don't even know how it's.
it's the other way around. She's just showing dominance, I guess, and she has scared Drake. Okay, wait a minute. Maybe we better try Drake instead. Okay, this is not going well at all. Poppy is definitely being a dominatrix, dominating poor little Mr. Snuggles. So I think he might be in shock. We're going to take Poppy out and we're going to try putting Poppy in our other buck's cage, into Drake's cage.
Ah!
Is that poor Drake on the bottom?
Mm-hmm.
This isn't going well.
No. Hey. Oh.
We'll give him one more chance. Maybe she's got to get in the mood. Yeah. Oh, she's not as aggressive. Well, Poppy, enough with this woman's lip stuff. Come on. You're absolutely petrifying the bucks.
And yeah, man. And now it's
Oh.
oh.
Oh, come on. Hey. Well, that's kind of wrong, but
I can tell which one was which for a second.
he's trying something. It's sideways, but
Who's the one on top?
Jake.
Oh yeah, there you go. What?
it's not working.
His butt! It's just what I'm saying.
We're recording. Dracon, you're on her side. Yeah.
Oh my god.
It's probably the one on the bottom.
Just took some fur. I mean, Jake.
It's fine. It's like flap what?
Seems to be that there's a definite learning curve.
You tried to.
I know. I can now see why you were trying to tell him how to do it, Poppy. He's a little mixed up. It doesn't happen side. Oh my God.
What was that glaze for?
He's
That going first.
Oh, oh. Oh, that was good. When they fall sideways like that. Let's see if they do it one more time. The first time we hit Uncle Jake's rabbit, it passed out.
Really?
It did it and then passed right out. Okay.
Why is Drake eating her fur?
Oh.
Ooh. He says, I'm the male. You tell her, Drake. Okay. You want to do it one more time? Just make sure you got it right this time.
Just lie over the back leg first.
Or on the head.
Okay. Yeah, yeah. Now where are you? Yeah, okay. He's showing us boom, boom, like I'm the male.
Hello.
And she says, what? Who cares? Yeah.
Mr. Snuggles is just trying to watch, but can't.
Rabbit TV.
Rabbit TV.
Oh, maybe he says, oh, maybe one more time. We kind of like to know if it worked or not, guys. Maybe just one more. The chickens.
How do you know if they made it?
We can just hope. 28 days later, if they have babies, you know they did. Uh-oh, careful, Drake. She's trying to sneak up on you. What is she doing?
Is Pappy the one all the way in the back?
Yeah. She's gonna eat his hay. What the hell, tell ya.
Drake's like, what the heck?
Okay, Drake, is that it? Not one more time?
Mr. Snuggles is like, I want to see.
Mrs. Snuggles, you failed.
He's like, oh. He's like, I don't know what we're supposed to do.
Oh, look at how cute. He's cleaning up. They're so cute when they do that. Yes, you are. You are a cute boy. Yes, you are.
He's like, yeah, I was just eating Papa's
Are you
fur.
all done now? Yeah? Or do you want your privacy?
Privacy.
Huh?
I think it's privacy.
Yeah, one more time. Yeah? Yeah, yeah.
He tried. He's trying.
No, 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 no.
He's trying. He's trying.
No, no, no.
He's trying.
Oh, Lord, Poppy, I know why you were trying to show them what to do. They're just not very good at this. He's eating your fur. I'm getting confused who's who almost.
Me too.
Poppy's got the under
Oh,
neck.
there.
Oh, no.
Is that Poppy? Or is that
Drake getting on there.
I thought that was Poppy.
No, that's Drake.
Oh,
Poppy's on the bottom. So he's trying.
yeah. Well, let's let him try a couple times. Come on.
I think we should leave him alone.
Oh, here we go. Another good one. Oh, that one's good.
Poppy's just like, I'm gonna
Although he's not falling off sideways like the. Oh, he's not done. Yeah.
Just ate more fur.
Did she have her tail off or not? Will you stop eating her fur? She'll need that for the babies.
It's the other though. Why do they do that?
That's how they breed, honey.
Why?
Well, male has to enter the female so you can have babies.
Has to what?
Enter. They're touching each other, see? How'd you like how I just kind of avoided really answering my granddaughter's question?
Mr. Snuggles is like, I don't know what's happening. I don't know. Let's see.
I think he kind of passed out a minute.
Him?
No, he's back again. Wrong. 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 Really, Poppy, I really can't understand why you got so upset. That looks pretty good, as long as it's not Poppy on top.
It's not.
Okay.
I can tell because Poppy's long. She's like,
See how he's resting in between? Those are good signs. And she's posing for it.
Mr. Snuggles, he's like, what the heck is
Mr. Snuggles, you had your chance. Well, I think it went well. I think we had successful breeding. We could try again in 10 hours, but I don't think we will. Hopefully in 28 days, Poppy here will give us some little baby rabbits, which are called kits. In about 3.5 weeks, we'll put a nest box in her cage, and then hopefully she will, come here a minute, Poppy. Can you see? She has a lot of excess fur right here, right? It's called the dewlap. She will pull the fur from here to make a nice cozy bed for her kits. Well, that is if all goes well. Poppy is a bit overweight, and one of the reasons that rabbits often can't conceive is because they are overweight. So we just got to keep our fingers crossed. Don't we, Poppy? But I think she'll make a great mother, and I hope in 28 days I can show you some baby Havanas. Thank you very much for watching, and as always, please subscribe and share the knowledge. Say bye, Poppy.